Hi everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, and I've got a little itty bitty here for you. I knew it was a 14 wide because you can tell by standing right next to each other. This one's a little slimmer. So you guys love these little tiny homes. Well, not technically a tiny home, but smaller than the usual 1676. This is the Grabill, 14 by 66. What do we got on the outside? We've got olive siding, white corner posts. This is a request you can make. Standard, they're going to come the same color. Doesn't cost you any more money to do that. So if you like a little bit of contrast, that's a great thing to do. Coming down the side of the home, looks like we've got a reverse aisle. What does that mean? Pop quiz. I know you're sitting at home saying, hey, doors are on the same side, because Christina, you always tell us that. So let's check underneath the Tyvek weather wrap. Good. This customer has added an OSB wrap, smart customer. And what else do we have going on? Looks like we've got an electrical outlet as well as a frost-free faucet on the outside. 4 tires, so this baby weighs about, let's see, 4 times 5, 20,000 pounds. And underneath of here, yep, we've got a couple of pier savers. Those are very, very important things to have. Don't forget to add them. Most packages, you can find a package that they come with them, and you can save some money with the packages. So I'm so happy. It's boot weather, people. And I will be saying that, but you're all going to hear me in the dead of winter complaining. But anyways, we're at boot season. All right, coming in, we've got a wide open living space. I was happy when I walked in here because I forgot that the Grabill has a washer dryer area like this, and it's super cute. Casper cashmere on the walls. We've got a nice molded trim here around the windows. Standard would be flat, so take a look at that. If you're thinking about building a home, you're gonna want the molded trim. They both look nice. Don't let me steer you either way. Whatever you want. That's the thing at Champion Homes. We do what you like. So, perimeter heat. That means going right up on the inside perimeter of the wall. Look at me. I got the boots all up in the video, huh? Gets them out of the way. You can see over on the other side, there's the registers over there. So it just kind of opens up the freedom you have to move your stuff around. In the kitchen, this is going to be one of those corner sinks. Yes, we love it. You know, people, they either love it or they don't. It's one or the other. People are about 50-50 whenever I show them a home and we look at it. Let's see, 30 by 36 sideways. You got to kind of look sideways at the corner sink, but people love the way that this is laid out. Laminate backsplash, about a 4-inch backsplash. You can do the whole house for $178. Now, if you're only doing a 1-bath house, you're gonna wanna reconfigure that, because you can also do it by the single baths, which is a little cheaper. We've got a microwave over the range, gas range, Whirlpool, that's what we use, and a 20.5 cubic foot with an ice maker. Here's something. Overhead cabinet. Standard there would be just a regular shelf for a small fee. I think it's $186. You can add a cabinet up there, and for that little bit of money, it just looks a little bit classier. I know you guys are gonna tell me, well, I'm 5'3" like you are, Mobile Home Mama, and I cannot reach it. Trust me, you will find a way to climb up there and stuff stuff in there. Shove your stuff in there that you don't know where else to put it. Here's that washer dryer area I was talking about, coming right off of the kitchen. And then we've added a wire shelf in there, $47 if you want to add that. You could also do cabinets if you like. And we have an electrical panel box here. Here is something I want to talk about, because you can see here that this would be right down the middle of the house. So we still have inline sectional heating, meaning the main heat duct is going down the middle of the home, but we run extensions out for the perimeter heat. In this case, we wouldn't have been able to heat this room because we've got washer dryer here and the refrigerator on the other side. There would be nowhere to put this heating. So with perimeter heat, you're still gonna have some areas that are gonna have a register right up above where that heat trunk is going to be. So when you get perimeter heat and you get your home and you're cussing out the Mobile Home Mama because you see one in the middle, that is why. I will tell you, go look at the Grabill video. Primary bedroom. egress window. Always got that large egress window, 46 by 61. This is a nice size closet. Puts you a couple shirt and skirt racks in there, and then you're in business. And over here in the primary bath, we're gonna have a transom window, just a regular single vanity with the laminate backsplash. Hi everybody, I hope we're having a good day out there in YouTube land. And over here we've got the standard tub shower. This home is nice and simple. They have added a ceiling fan up there and put a can light on either side. We got a package of can lights. You can get 6 of them because they're 6 inches in diameter. If you look, they put off a lot of light. So we got a package of 6 for $388. If you get them individually, they're $109, so that's a no-brainer. Coming down this hallway, if you have the chance to add a window here, bedroom number 2. Remember, this is a 14 wide, still a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. But when you get in the 14 wides, you know, of course, you're losing a foot on each side, so. Now the frame size is really 13 feet 4 inches. They added a shower curtain rod. You can do that. That's an option. But we call it a 14 wide because of the eaves, if you're wondering why we do that. Okay. Remember, if you like my videos, maybe you think I'm a little bit funny. I don't know. Or you want to see what boots I'm wearing this season, please like and subscribe. And as always, gosh, I'm so appreciative of you guys. You don't even know. Text me, call me. Let's talk. I'm a real person. I'm Christina. I'm the mobile home mama. And as always, thanks for watching.